Are you looking for a legitimate work from home opportunity where you can earn money just by helping train artificial intelligence? In this video, I'll show you how this website works, how to create your profile, how to find available projects, how the tasks work, and how you can set up your payment method. I'll also show you the actual projects and rates displayed on my account so you can see what the process looks like. So let's get started. The website that I am referring to is called Minddrift. So what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a project-based platform that connects people with opportunities to help train and improve AI systems. According to the website, opportunities can include different domains, languages, and skill levels. The platform also advertises entry-level opportunities and higher rates for people with specialized domain expertise. So depending on your background and qualifications, you may see different projects inside your account. To get started, go to the Minddrift website and create an account. I will put the application link in the description box of this video. After registering, complete the information requested by the platform. Once you're inside your dashboard, you will see different sections such as My Projects, Explore, Account, Skills and Experience, Payments, Qualifications, and Activity History. I highly recommend completing your profile as much as possible because your skills and experience can affect which projects you're eligible to access. One of the first things you should do is to complete your skills and experience section. Minddrift asks you to provide information such as your professional overview, location, experience, skills, education, certifications, and links. For example, you can describe your actual experience in areas such as data entry, online research, virtual assistance, content creation, writing, translation, customer service, or other relevant skills. After completing your profile, go to My Project section or Explore. This is where you will find available opportunities. As you can see on my account, there are different projects with different requirements and compensation structures. For example, one project shown here is Which image is better? It shows an expected capacity of around 5 to 30 hours per week. There is also a face photo data collection project showing approximately $0.17 per task. But remember, seeing a project doesn't necessarily mean everyone will qualify for it. You may need to complete qualifications before you can actually perform the project. One example of the available work is an image comparison task. The basic idea is that you will be presented with images and asked to determine which image is better according to the project's instructions. Before starting any task, make sure you carefully read the instructions and qualification requirements. Accuracy is extremely important when working on AI training projects. Don't rush through the task just to complete more of them. Another project that is available is the face photo data collection. This page shows approximately $0.17 per task and an expected capacity of 5 to 10 hours per week. There is also a task called Upload Your Younger Photos, which shows approximately $0.35 per task. However, because this type of project involves personal photographs, make sure you understand exactly what information you are submitting and how your data will be used before participating. Here's another interesting opportunity. It's an invited project called Feather, Get Paid $6 per hour to record narrated videos. The description says participants can film a real activity from their point of view and narrate it out loud in clear English. This project displays $0.50 per task and an expected capacity of 5 to 30 hours per week. It also says that participants can earn up to $11 per hour with milestone bonuses. If you find a project you're qualified for and want to participate, you can select Accept. Before accepting, read the project's descriptions carefully. Check what type of work you will be doing, how you will get paid, the expected capacity, qualification requirements, task instructions, and any privacy or data requirements. If you agree with the conditions, accept the project and follow the instructions provided by Mindrift. Now, let's talk about the payments. On my account, the payment section shows the available withdrawal methods. The options displayed here are Payoneer and PayPal via Tripalti. For Payoneer, the screen shows a $20 minimum withdrawal and a $1 fee per withdrawal. For PayPal via Tipalti, it shows a $5 minimum withdrawal and a fee of 2% plus 0.60 euros per withdrawal. These payment conditions can change, so always check the payments information displayed on your own Mindrift account before withdrawing. Here are some tips if you want to join Mindrift. Number 1. Complete your profile. Add your genuine experience, skills, education, and certifications. Number 2. Check the project section regularly. New opportunities may become available depending on your profile and eligibility. Number 3. Read the instructions carefully. AI training tasks are usually quality sensitive, so accuracy really matters. Number 4. Don't use fake information. Always provide truthful information about your background and qualifications. And number 5, don't focus only on the advertised hourly rate. Look at the actual payment structure, task volume, approval requirements, and available work. And finally, never pay someone simply because they promise to get you accepted into a project. So, who might benefit from trying Mindrift? This could be worth exploring if you are a freelancer, a student or graduate with relevant skills, a writer, translator, researcher, content creator, virtual assistant, or someone interested in flexible online AI training work. And that's how Mindrift works and how you can get started with these work from home AI training opportunities. Keep in mind that project availability, qualification requirements, rates, bonuses, and payment conditions can change, so always check the information shown inside your own account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell for more legitimate work from home opportunities, AI platforms, and online earning tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day, everyone.